Hey guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Beauty.
Who doesn't want full and defined lips? From accentuating your natural pout to defining the shape of your lips to actually making your lip color last for long, lip liners can make a world of a difference. Pick a lip liner in a nude shade that's closest to the natural color of your lips. This one works for all shades and kinds of lipstick. Prep your lips with balm and put concealer on for a clean base. This will not only help the color glide on smoothly and evenly, but also make the color of your lipstick pop. Start at the center by marking an X on your cupid's bow. Make short strokes as you go towards the side of the upper lip. This is where you can overline or make your lips look rounder. Next, trace the center of the bottom lip and fill it a little. You can also apply it on the sides of your lips to contour them. Again, with short strokes, line the rest of your lips. Now all you have to do is apply your favorite shade of lipstick. Lip liners come in really handy, and all that they need is a steady hand. You can choose different lip liners according to your lipsticks or go with a nude one or use them independently as lipsticks. Also, our very own POPxo shop is live now. We have some amazing stuff like mugs, phone covers, laptop sleeves. All that you have to do is click the link in the description box below to check it out. And for more makeup tips and tricks, don't forget to tune into POPxo Beauty. Bye!